She's about to do the cinnamon challenge. Let's go.
Okay.
Ready? Go.
Is it on?
Yes.
Take your glasses off. No.
She can't see. Why are you shaking it?
Oh, shit.
Oh my gosh. Let's see how it was. How was it? It smells like fucking cinnamon over here. She's not feeling so well after this.
Oh my god.
I whipped my hand back and forth